In this video, I'll show you how to download and install TickTick on a Windows laptop, step by step. TickTick is a powerful task management and to-do list app that helps you organize tasks, plan projects, set reminders, and stay productive. Let's get started. First, open any web browser on your Windows laptop. In the address bar, go to TickTick.com. I'll also leave the website link in the video description below. Once the website loads, click Download at the top of the page. From the available options, select Download for Windows. The installer file will start downloading automatically. This may take a few seconds, depending on your internet connection. When the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the TickTick setup file. If Windows shows a security or user account control message, click Yes to allow the installer to run. The TickTick installer will now open. Choose the installation location or leave it set to the default option, then click Next. Click Next through the remaining steps and finally click Install. Now, just wait for the installation process to finish. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. TickTick will launch automatically. If it doesn't, you can open it manually from the Start menu or by using the TickTick desktop shortcut. When TickTick launches for the first time, it may ask for permissions such as notifications or background access. Make sure to allow these so reminders and alerts work properly. Next, you'll be asked to sign in. You can log in using your email, Google account, or create a new account if you don't have one yet. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed TickTick on your Windows laptop. You're now ready to manage your tasks, plan your day, and boost your productivity. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.